Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna take a look at your iPad Air. We're gonna be going on and teaching you everything about it. So here's your iPad Air, and this is the latest model, and it's the bigger size one. But if you guys have the smaller one, it's gonna be the exact same video for you anyways. So I'm gonna teach you the basics of how to go on and use your iPad. So this is the manual that you guys want for beginners. You guys have your notes. This is something that I use a lot, so you guys can add any notes just by go ahead, tap away, start typing. Or if you guys want to draw within here, you guys can also draw. You have an Apple Pencil, you guys can draw with that Apple Pencil as well, but you don't need an Apple Pencil, you guys can just draw yourselves. And then when you're done, just click away. You guys want to add another note here. It's pretty easy. Just go on the top right hand corner. You will notice this, it's the farthest away option, and then you just add another note. Want to add another note again on the top right hand side, another note. And those are my 3 notes that I created right now. If you guys want to delete any of your notes, just slide. You guys are going to see this, tap on it, delete. So again, to delete this, all I'm doing is sliding. I'm tapping right here on this icon, the garbage icon. It's going to delete that. Same thing goes with this and delete it. So that's how you guys can add any notes and delete them. There's other options here as well. So a little bit more into it. Just play with it. You guys are just going to notice what you guys can do. And lastly, we should take a look at your calendar. This is different than reminders. This is where you guys can go on and put in any major alarms that are going to repeat themselves throughout your calendar year, such as birthdays and all that stuff. To add anything like that, see this plus sign? That's where you're going to go. Type in birthday, for example. Then if it's a birthday or anything like that, you guys most likely will choose all day. And most likely you want an alert 1 day before. You can add a second alert 2 days before, 1 week before, or on the event, depends. Add it, and it's being added. So that's how you guys can add any events to your calendars. You guys can also take these away just by holding onto it, delete, and it's been deleted from your calendar. So that's how you guys can delete or add anything to your calendar. And last but not least, to search for any apps, besides going all the way here and just looking at them, you guys can tap here and search for a specific app, such as books. So there you go, there's books, gonna find that. So that's for specifically for apps. And if you guys want to add any widgets to your screen, you guys can always just hold on. You guys are gonna see the plus sign on the top left hand side and add any widget you like. I'm just gonna do batteries for now. And there's my widget for batteries. That's if you guys want to bring back any widgets into your home screen. Or you guys can move this as well. So edit home, and then just move this to your secondary screen. Doesn't have to be in your home screen. It can be here. So there you go. That's the difference. So you guys can have your widgets there as well. Obviously, you guys can delete this on any point in time just by holding on, minus sign, remove, done, or just click away. And you're done. But anyways, this was a quick manual for your iPad. Doesn't really matter which iPad you guys have. This will apply for all of them. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.